Hi, this is Angela Gower-Johnson. I just wanted to talk to you a little bit about Ketostix. So in the last video, I talked about eating out and how I used Ketostix. So these are the Ketostix. Again, you can either buy them from Amazon or you can buy them from a chemist. So in this country, I get them from Boots. And they literally have these little strips in, and there's a little tab on there. I don't know if you can see that. It might look a little bit yellowy, that you pee on. And then there's a little graph. You count to 15 seconds, and then there's a graph where you put it up against there. And if it's that color, then you're not having any ketones. You want it to be around there or there. I'm usually around here, but surprisingly, I had a burger yesterday because this is my fourth video, and I just talked about eating out yesterday, and I was around here, which I was really surprised about because I had chicken wings and it had a sweet sauce on it, and I wasn't expecting that at all. So the Ketostix in the beginning will let you know whether you are still in ketosis or not. It will let you know what your boundaries are. And depending on why you're doing the keto diet, you're going to really want to know what you can do and what you can't do. So if you're doing the keto diet to lose weight, obviously you want your body to be burning fat as its fuel instead of burning sugar. So you need to have that little balance, and this is a way of keeping it. I'm looking at getting one of the blood ketone tests and purchasing that because they're quite a reasonable price now. But I'm lucky at the moment because my body still throws out ketones, and I can use a Ketostix, which is a quite cheap way of doing it. And once you really, really master this lifestyle, you will get to the point where your body utilizes all of the ketones and the Ketostix won't work. So in the beginning, you have to play around with the food that you're eating and know what your limits are and how you can stay in keto. If you have any questions, please let me know. Thank you so much for being on this journey with me. Have an awesome day.